Hey guys, so I wanted to show you something that's really cool to have, even if it's just at home or if you're looking to gift this for like a teacher. This is really great. So this is a whiteboard. It stands really tall, and one of my favorite things about it is that this actually slides down. So if you see the length of it, this is the whole whiteboard, and then this part, it does slide down like I mentioned. These are the little knobs, so you just loosen it on each side right here, and then you basically bring this part up and you pull it up as high as you want. Now obviously the way that it's split, it's that tall, so basically this whiteboard can be just as tall going up. But yeah, it is just a preference thing as far as how tall you do want it. But for easier storage and for like bringing it anywhere, it's perfect that you can slide it down. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and then you just bring this little leg out right here, and then you pull it up by up here. It is a little bit heavy, just a heads up. But yeah, and then there is a little thing right here where you can place like all the little markers. But yeah, it's super cool, just to show you guys too. Oh no, lift it. Oh, I actually tightened it. But yeah, so yeah, if you are looking for this, this is really nifty to have, and it works really great.